Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Go cool and be cool. Are you an employee? Don't you get your promotion? Don't you get your grade? Don't you get your salary hike? Don't you get your awards, your wow points, your certificate, your recognition, something like that? Okay. So we are going to see these 8 beautiful tips with a real-time example. So if you see these 8 beautiful tips, surely you will get everything what you wish. So please see this video 100% so you will identify many good points being as an employee. Yeah, welcome back. If you are an employee, so if you are not getting any promotion, awards, grades, salary hike, something like that, these beautiful tips will help you with the real-time examples. Will groom like anything. So these 8 beautiful tips with beautiful examples will take you to the excellence level. So this is the promotion tips especially. Okay, working in company, maybe office, maybe organizations with the old or new boss. Okay, so our purpose is how we can able to get promoted, how we can able to get awards, then salary hike, and then certifications, and then a good recognition in front of all the top management, isn't it? So what we supposed to do? Okay, just buddy, you can think about your experiences, like mountain, so rocks, and then many areas as we have many things as we can able to see that what we supposed to do. Our first one is networking. Networking is a very important thing, globally known friends, even unknown friends also. Okay, first you are getting to the office, maybe you are a fresher, you are a new joinee, or you are experienced people, whatever it may be. If you are an employee, in the sense, no, you people supposed to have this first step is networking. You have to capture all the people hearts. It's very difficult, okay, I understand, but you have to take it, you have to smile it and get in their contact. It will be really helpful in some point of time. Okay, networking is very important. Globally known friends or unknown friends also very important, even though you are getting the networking. And then the thing is that a close networking is one of the important thing what we're supposed to understand. Okay, close networking in the sense, now who will do, especially when you make one single call, you need to do something, but you don't know that particular department or maybe section known person. If you have this close network in the sense, now directly you can call them, you can ask, buddy, I need this help, friends, I need this help, please help me, means you will get the information, because we can reduce the lead time, my dear friends, please understand. If you are really afraid of speaking to the people, you are really not comfortable in dealing with those people in the sense, now then you will never develop networking, your lead time will increase, isn't it? Capturing of information, get in touch with all the people, it's very important thing. So first one is networking is the very important thing. Please make sure that close networking, you are always having a good relationship, good rapport with those people. So in that case, what happen automatically, so you will get more information, so whenever you need it. That is the very important thing. First of all, I will make you to this particular area, like how we can able to get in touch with your boss satisfaction, something like that. Second point, basic process and structure. Most of the areas what we could able to see means, people, they don't know the basic. First of all, so you know the networking, and then you know the people, but you have to understand how things will flow. Boss generally will ask you so many questions as during that particular time. Okay, so for example, they are asking some process or some solution or something like that. If you don't aware of anything, you have to ask other people. If you are searching for other people, your boss will come to know that you don't know anything about this process especially, and then they will ask you exactly whenever the next time boss is having any doubt in the sense, in the process or structure, something like that, the boss will directly call him and then ask all the information. That time you don't get any highlights or something like that. So please make sure that you are understanding the basic process and structure, what it means exactly. For example, if you are in the same department, okay, example like ice cream department, or maybe you are preparing some butterscotch ice cream, something like that, you should understand the process, general process, how ice cream is being manufactured and how tasters are get in touch with that particular recipe, something like that. But you should also understand the other flavors, mango flavors, vanilla flavors, everything, how things are getting recipes, preparations, and everything. So then what happened automatically, you understand all the ice cream process, but you are specialized in butterscotch. So in that In that case, what happened automatically? You are the expert in butterscotch, but you know all the process. So whenever your boss is asking the procedure or something like that in mango ice cream or black currant, something like that, you will also speak to him. Okay, sir, this is like that, that is like that. I have seen many things. So because you are an expert in butterscotch, isn't it? So that is very, very important. Whenever you are an employee going for any office, any organization, company, inside company, in the sense now, please understand the end-to-end scenario. So where you have many doubts available, okay, but you understand the end-to-end process, it will be really helpful to you. So where you can able to capture all the information, isn't it? The next point is learnings. Learning is very, very important. If you need promotion, you need award, you need grade, you need certification and then appreciation, recognition, but without learning, how it is possible, isn't it? For example, today you know butterscotch ice cream, but tomorrow butterscotch with some and then a flavor, toppings, many things. People are always innovating for attracting your boss or something like that. In that case, you should also learn how to bring varieties of toppings in that particular butterscotch, and then how you can decorate the plate, how you can satisfy your top management through your management. Okay, initial management satisfaction is more than enough, okay, for you especially. For example, that particular management is presenting to their top management, so they also satisfy in the sense, now you will get 200% satisfaction, because that person is also satisfying your boss is also satisfying you. So what happened, 200% you will get more satisfaction. So you should understand their point of view, your top management point of view. If you are attending many CEOs webinar and then many top management webinar in the sense, now then you will come to know what is their pulse exactly. No sir, he may ask like this, he may ask those kind of things just like that. Okay, many areas as it is possible, many areas boss will say please do what I say, like that. Okay, so you don't need not worry about that. So learning is a very, very important thing. So in this world we have a many platform available to learn many things. You should never say, sir, I don't know, sir, how to prepare mango, I don't know how to prepare vanilla ice cream or black currant, something like that. I am expert in butterscotch. That won't help you, my dear friends. Please understand, if you know the preparation process, basic structure and everything, you can able to do even mango ice cream also, isn't it? So first you need to understand the learning process, how it's supposed to be. Don't waste your time by doing this gossip, unnecessary gossip, and then taking some past experience, simply laughing around it. Yes, it is important, but you have spent very, very minimum time. You have to spend lot of time for learnings, because it is competitive world, all people are behind you. So whenever your boss crossing your desk, or maybe your laptop, something like that, he will watch you. These people are watching 100%. So please make sure that you are also showing your potential. So many areas as you can able to see, promotion fever. Some fronts are available generally in 2 to 3 fronts. As generally the gang is always there. Whenever the promotion grade, when the boss is offering a grade, so during that time their tonality, their decibel, and then their way of attraction, everything will get differs. They will say, oh well, I'm doing this one, I'm doing that one, a customer is very important, client is very important. The way of a flow is very nice, because they need some grade, they're acting supposed to be like that. But you please understand, only result speaks everything, isn't it? For example, if you take like January to December is the year ending. So in that case, January or February, you are taking some kind of a project, and then you are declaring the result in the month of maybe August, and then maybe September. In that case, like it is good. Then again monitoring, again highlighting to the top management in November, December. Management surely will offer you, like he is the man who has done the project very clearly. He started yearly, and then he has completed on time. He has completed within the year. So you can promote yourself, you can brand yourself. So learning is a very, very important thing. Learning is not only from audio, not only from video, not only from social media. Learning from your management also, learning from your expert also, learning from your limelight people also. Please understand, those who is getting promotion for 2 years and 3 years, getting awards always, he is the only man taking all recognition, then supports and everything, in the sense that he is doing something. Okay, please understand, please capture all the good points, positive, what is the beautiful vibes we have. So in that case, you will also learn it, and then you can able to do that. Okay, then what is the fourth point? Need of the hour. Management as well as boss, what I told you, without satisfying your boss, nothing is possible. What is the need of the hour? Your boss is asking some kind of a butterscotch ice cream in the sense of you have to prepare it and you have to give it. You cannot say, sir, I don't know, sir, I don't know the preparation of butterscotch, I can purchase everything and then I will give it to someone, they will prepare it and give it to you. Whatever it may be, whatever background activities, you can do that, but you are the only one supposed to give butterscotch ice cream to your boss. Just an example I'm saying, okay? You have to think about the same. Your boss is asking mango ice cream, so you have to prepare mango ice cream and then you have to give it to your boss. You cannot say, sir, I am expert in butterscotch but I don't know the mango. You have to go, yes sir, I will prepare it and I will come back to you. That's all, simple. You have to ask your friends, you have to get in touch with those who is expert in mango ice cream preparation, and then you can start the same own your preparation. You can prepare it and give it to your boss. This is what the things. If you have a third point, learning is more than enough, and then you can satisfy your boss need of the hour. Need of the hour is the very, very important thing. If you are not satisfying that particular need of the hour, your boss will search those who is having a good values. So your boss will search you a valuable people. You will never will be in the picture in that. So fourth point is need of the hour. You have to satisfy your boss. What is the fifth point? Dedication and then results, accomplishment. You have a butterscotch ice cream with you. If it is melted, there is no any toppings, it is not tasty in the sense, it is not useful, isn't it? So please see that the result is also very, very important. Activities, nothing is going to help you. If you are IT guy, okay, you are not producing your results, you are not showing within this span of time, in the sense now, so what is the use of that particularly? So you don't feel exactly, isn't it? So result is also very important. You are preparing the butterscotch ice cream, you are giving a beautiful toppings and everything, you are comparing the same with the global benchmarking, and then you are sharing to your boss with beautiful flowers and then fruits cutting and everything. Your boss feel, wow, sir, beautiful, you are a wonderful man, you are a chancellor. Then they will remain you always, you are the guy. Okay, for example, you are a person, A will always, boss will call you, but dear please come, yeah, I have a work like this, dear please come, I have a work like this. Okay, they will call you always. So dedication, result is also very important. So then you feel the accomplishment also automatically. So result is very important. Please see that your butterscotch ice cream is very tasty, very beautiful, attractive, and then it is the only ice cream like your boss has to feel like it is a global benchmarking. In that case, it will be really helpful to you. What is the sixth point? Becoming limelight to top management. Becoming limelight in the sense what? Your top management reporting to their top management reporting to another top management. So their top management, see the connection of chain entirely to satisfy the CEO, entirely satisfied to the COO, CIO, CFO. So many chief executive players are there. Okay, so those player will give their activities to their down the level, director level, VP level. So VP level will give to the next level of maybe group head level, and then department head level. Group head and then department people will ask the sharing to that section level, then members level. So this is how the chain is supposed to be if you are automatic going. So IT means same like assistant manager, deputy manager, and then manager going for team lead, something like that. So this is how the thing supposed to be. Okay, but if you understand the CEO level, before showing to your boss, this is how last year CEO told, that is how the last CEO told, this is what our VP dream, this is what our director imagination, and then our vision and then mission. If you're talking like this, management will think, hey, what is that? Yeah, you have a beautiful chance of capturing all this information, you are a chanceless guy like that. See, only attractiveness playing a main role. No, that is what becoming limelight is a very, very important thing. Satisfy your management. We are not going to do anything, no, because see, being as an employee, your job is to satisfy the top management, simple. So always be in limelight zone. If you are in limelight, you need not to worry about anything, whether I can get promotion or something like that. If you are in limelight showing all your butterscotch ice cream with toppings to all the top management, the top management will only think butterscotch ice cream. When butterscotch will come to in their mind, you are the persons in front of them. Okay, maybe in imagination or maybe in front of them also. So please understand, becoming the limelight is the sixth point. Seventh point, credit score, boss trust, popularity. But you please understand, if you know the butterscotch ice cream, you are presenting everything to your boss is also get satisfied, your boss is taking that particular butterscotch ice cream to their top management, so they also get satisfied. So they also know that when they ask the question, who has prepared this butterscotch ice cream, I want to see this person, that is the first success to you. So what will happen? Your boss will call you, and boss will introduce, like, he's the man who has prepared my butterscotch ice cream, your butterscotch ice cream. So then you are starting interactions with these top management people. What happen automatically? The trust will increase, the popularity will increase, the branding will increase, your score is also will increase. No one will give you lower grade because you can have a good demand in that places. Your boss itself will ask you to put a good grade because he has done a lot of things to the top management. He has satisfied your people. Without doing anything, buddy, you don't get promoted, isn't it? Without satisfying your boss, without becoming a limelight, without giving your results to the top management, how you are thinking about getting promoted, getting awards, getting recognition? It's very difficult. No, see, be practical enough. Many competitors are there always. Heavy competitions is there inside the plant, inside the company, inside the IT scenario. Many areas as we have. So getting the credit score is very important. Some areas people, some companies, they are having, like, some 15 marks. For example, 3 years once you will get some promotion, 2 years once you will get promoted. So if you have these credit score and then becoming limelight, dedications, everything, you will get 2 years one promotion. Yes, of course, the demand supposed to be there. Especially 3 years one promotion is a very normal thing, but you need to have a good credit score. Credit score in the sense, what happened? For example, 15 supposed to be there for 3 years, 5 marks you have to get it, so minimum 12 supposed to be there. So automatically you will get some 12.5. that in the sense, now people will give you for 11.5, 11 in the sense you have not reached 12. So in that case, what happened? Management will give the recommendation to you. So it will be really helpful if you have shown many results, many limelight, need of the hour, satisfaction, credit score, because many people are there. Your boss is not only boss for you, your boss is boss for all the people, isn't it? So please make sure that you have a good credit score. Then becoming an icon and then critical resource. If you are an expert in butterscotch preparations, in the sense, now, like, if you are if your boss is getting a good offer, like, we have to supply a lot of butterscotch, in the sense, then it will be the, you are becoming an icon. You are critical resource. They are not asking for a mango. If mango is a heavy demand, you will be questioned, you don't get any value. So please make sure that the learning process, you are expert in butterscotch because you have already done this basic process structure. You can also prepare mango. So you have to get in touch with all the zone. It will be really comfortable. Whenever your boss thinking about some kind of a project, he's supposed to call you. Some kind of an activity is supposed to call you. Some kind of satisfying the management vision, dream, and then mission, everything, they have to call you. If they are calling you for all those kind of activity, you are a rock star, you are an icon, you are a critical resource. So nothing to worry, anyhow are going to get promoted. If you follow these 8 steps, it will be really helpful to you. You will surely get promoted, you will surely get beautiful grade, and then recognition, everything you need. So get the pulse and get it promoted. Once you become an icon and then critical research, it will be really helpful to you. But please make sure that the third point is learning and fourth point is need of the hour. If you are satisfying this third point and then fourth point, your boss, all how you can able to get promoted, and then how I can offer you, especially then good offers, awards, recognition, and then good trips and everything. You have to connect everything, isn't it? If you have to connect everything, so if you are simply doing research but you don't know what is the need of the hour, what is the learning process, what is the basic, nothing else, you are not thinking about credit score, you are simply giving the results in the sense, now yes, they will remember you, but what is the need of the hour? If your boss is asking for butterscotch ice cream, you are producing butterscotch ice cream, it is the need of the hour. Your boss needs mango, you are producing the butterscotch, doesn't need anything. Okay, so please make sure that need of the hour, satisfaction, and then getting the results, getting good credit score, becoming a limelight, becoming an icon, critical resource is always a beautiful thing. I hope you understand about all these 8 points. Please make sure that you are becoming an icon and critical resource to get promoted.
So finally, let's learn and level up ourselves, and let us help and support others. So without pain, there is no gain. I hope you like this video. So please give your valuable comments so that I can also level up myself. So and share to your beloved ones. So thank you very much and thanks for watching.